Situated on the banks of the Nashwaak River, Marysville is a popular residential area on Fredericton's north side. With schools, walking trails, and amenities nearby, it's hard to imagine it in its original state, an industrial community with a history in logging and cotton. However, glimpses of the past are visible with the rehabilitated cotton mill building, as well as many of the original brick duplexes, all built in the 19th century.
Enjoy views of the Nashwaak River and surrounding woodlands along the Nashwaak and Gibson Trail. Perfect for nature lovers who prefer a bicycle over a car, these trails provide a great retreat or handy access to city amenities, leading directly to the Bilthorpe Walking Bridge, connecting the city's north and south side.
Marysville hosts lots of other recreational activities, a basketball court, baseball diamonds, an outdoor pool, and the Heritage Center.
With a mix of single-family homes and low-maintenance condos, whether you're looking for a quiet place to settle or a more modern lifestyle, Marysville has it all.